Section 43 of A Child's Garden of Verses. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. A Child's Garden of Verses by Robert Louis Stevenson. Shadow March. All round the house is the jet-black night. It stares through the window pane. It crawls in the corners, hiding from the light, and it moves with the moving flame. Now my little heart goes a-beating like a drum, with the breath of bogey in my hair. And all round the candle the crooked shadows come, and go marching along up the stair. The shadow of the balusters, the shadow of the lamp, the shadow of the child that goes to bed, all the wicked shadows coming, tramp, 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 with the black night overhead. End of section 43. Recording by Sue Lusk.